Hey, online shoppers, before you hit buy now on that gorgeous dress from Julia and Ann Dress Co., let me give you the real scoop. I've spent hours digging through reviews and online complaints, and honestly, it doesn't look good. Let's talk red flags, because there are a lot of them. First, the quality. Customers say what they receive looks nothing like those stunning website photos. Think cheap fabrics, terrible stitching, even strange smells right out of the bag. Not what you expect when you're shopping for something special. And then there's shipping. Many people waited weeks, sometimes months, just to get their order. Most packages come straight from China, even if the site claims to be local. But here's where it gets shady. Returns and refunds. Tons of buyers say the company either ignores refund requests or makes returning the dress so complicated, it's not even worth trying. And if you do send it back, return shipping can cost more than the dress itself. Yikes. There's also a big problem with misleading ads. Julia and Ann Dress Co. has been accused of using stolen photos from other brands and running flashy social media ads that just don't match reality. It's no wonder so many customers are calling it a scam and warning others to stay away. Some people even paid and never got anything at all. Imagine waiting for your dress to show up, and it just never does. One last tip. Don't confuse Julia and Ann Dress Co. with other legit brands like Julia Ann Style in the UK. The scam stories are all about the Julia and Ann Dress Co. website and its ads. So, what's the bottom line? With all these warning signs, it's best to avoid Julia and Ann Dress Co. Protect your wallet, skip the disappointment, and shop somewhere you can trust. Stay savvy, shop smart, and share this to save a friend from getting scammed.